Now let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. In the consolidation worksheet, how does the unrealized gain or loss on the intercompany sale of equipment affect the consolidated financial statement? So they're asking about the effect of unrealized gain or loss on the consolidated financial statement. What needs to be done with that? Let's see. A, the gain or the loss is recognized in the same year when the intercompany transaction occur. No. If the gain or the loss is between the consolidated entities, no, it's not recognized. It's not recognized in the same year. The gain or the loss is deferred initially and recognized when the related asset is sold to a third party. Is that the case? It's deferred initially and it's realized later? No. If you remember from this lecture, what we did is we took that gain, and in our example we had a gain, and we started to recognize it against the depreciation expense. Therefore, that's not true. We don't wait all the way until we sell it. We are going to depreciate it piece by piece. The gain or the loss is deferred initially and recognized in the next year. As for the beginning inventory, this does not make any sense. You're not going to involve inventory in that. So by process of elimination, D is the correct answer. The gain or the loss is deferred initially and allocated over the asset useful life through the depreciation expense. And this is exactly what we did. If you remember from this lesson, we took the $95,000 gain and we spread it over 5 years. And how did we spread it over 5 years? We increased, well, let's do the entry. We debited accumulated depreciation, and we credited something we don't usually credit, depreciation expense. So we reduce expense, and by reducing expense, we realized the gain of $19,000 through depreciation by reducing depreciation expense. Therefore, the answer is D. Now, if you're using Farhat lectures, you could always ask the AI to explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answers, and create a similar MCQ. Whether you are a CPA exam candidate, CMA exam candidate, accounting student, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself, invest in your career, invest in your professional certification. Go to Farhat lectures, look at additional lectures, simulations, exercises, AI tools that will help you prepare. Invest in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.